Hi, my name is Dylan Foltz, and today I'll be giving a presentation on the use of technology within the government. In the early 1990s, the government took advantage of the internet and made it a lot easier for the citizens to access government websites, all levels of government, 24/7, which was pretty big advance. In the year 2000, Apple launched their first iPhone, which merged like the PDA cell phone, gave you access to the internet on the palm of your hand, anywhere you could go, which was a big breakthrough at the time. And with the use of applications, the government has taken advantage of the cell phone because you can basically create an app for anything nowadays. There's applications for, just for example, like the city of Glendale created an application to easily report non-operational vehicles, anything going wrong within the city. It basically categorizes the application, I guess you could say, into different divisions of the government, of the city government, and then it's easily organized and really makes it a lot easier to file things. Um, I think it's a good thing, the use of technology, because I mean, in the midst of everything, it's probably saving money, and government is usually run like a business, which is good. So where you can save money, you can spend it somewhere else. And in conclusion, like I said, if a government can find ways to cut costs and create applications that can maybe make it easier for its citizens to engage and be a part of the community, I think it's a good thing. Although not everyone can use technology like we all think we can. I mean, there's still people who struggle with it, which would be difficult to kind of eliminate certain areas. But I definitely think you could cut certain aspects of that to cut costs. Hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. Have a good one.